children, again this shopkeeper. Oh, no, 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 not a shopkeeper. Your teacher looks like a shopkeeper all the time. Again, I'm there, and we are going to introduce the third chapter. How much can you carry? Okay, children, have you ever carried a little baby? A newborn baby? Have you tried to carry a newborn baby? Okay. Have you tried to lift your brother or sister? Have you ever tried? One more thing. Have you ever tried to lift your papa or mama? You must be thinking that what is ma'am saying? How can we lift papa or mama? They are so heavy. Yes. So they are heavy. So you understand that some things are light while others are heavy. The baby is light and your brother or sister is slightly heavier than the baby, and papa and mama are so heavy that you can't lift them. Am I right? Yes. So children, today the topic is how much can you carry? Now you are a little child, so you cannot carry something which is much heavier than your weight. And I'm sure you too must be knowing the weight. Have you ever measured your weight? Yeah, at some point of the time, you must have measured your weight. In MI room, ma'am calls you sometime and she makes you stand on a weighing machine. In my next video, I will show you the weighing machine also. Okay? It is so much fun, right? And somebody's weight is around 20 kgs, somebody's 22 kgs, somebody's 19 kgs. And when you come back from MI room after the medical checkup, you keep asking your friends, tell me how much is your weight? Mine is this much. Acha, yours is this much. So children, you have understood already that some things are heavy while others are light. So our chapter is how much can you carry, where I have brought all these things to show you which out of these are heavy and which ones are light. Okay children, so now we are going to do the activity. Come on, let's start. So as promised children, I am going to show you activities where we will come to know out of the two things which have been shown, which one is heavier than the other one. Okay, now who all like this? Who all like this? And do you know what is this? Yeah, this is a melon. It's a fruit which comes in summers. And it is very, very tasty. So I have a melon, which I'm holding it in one hand, okay? So I am going to keep it here. I have something else. Wait, I will get it, okay? Don't go anywhere. I will get it. Melon, you stand here, no? Okay. Oh, look at this. What is this? I cannot hold it in one hand. It has to be held in two hands. This is watermelon, which you love so much. This is also a fruit of summers. So what do you think? Which one is heavier? Watermelon is heavier or melon is heavier? Yes, I know that you can easily make out that melon is lighter than watermelon. Watermelon is heavier. Yes, amongst these two, this is heavier and this is lighter. If your melon is very big and your watermelon is very tiny, then in that case it will be the opposite. But right now, this is lighter and watermelon is heavier. Okay, now let me take it away. Oh my God. Okay, let me keep it. Right, now let me remove this also. Now I am going to show you another thing. Yeah, do you know this? It is a serving spoon, and in Hindi we call it kadchi. Okay, and this is a spoon. Which one is heavier? This is heavier or this is heavier? You have to tell. This is heavier and this is lighter. So serving spoon is heavier and spoon is lighter. You can easily make out. Children, I'm sure these two things are there in your house also. Just lift them and feel. Lift them and see. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, now one more thing. Again I got an apple and a tomato. Apple, tomato. So, what do you think? What is heavier? Tomato? No, you can make out. I know you can make out that apple is heavier than tomato. Tomato is light. Apple is heavier in this case. Mind you, in this case, apple is heavier, tomato is lighter. Okay, let me get you some more things. Yeah, I have this. Oh my God, I have got so many fruits. These are the grapes, 4 grapes. So, 4 grapes. Do you think 4 grapes are heavier than 1 orange? Come on, tell me. They are 4 in number. This is only alone. Orange is alone. What do you feel? 4 grapes are heavier or the orange is heavier? Yes, I know you can make out. Orange is heavier than grapes. Oh, this grape has come out. Let me remove this. Now, one more thing. Oh, you know what is this? This is green chili. Sometime mama puts it in vegetables, and when it comes in your mouth, then you say, ooh, 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 like that you do. So, do you think this banana is heavier or this green chili is heavier? Yes, the banana is heavier. Green chili is very light, see? And I can hold it like this also, right? And banana is heavier. Okay, one last thing. Last thing is this. Big bowl and a tiny bowl. In this, mama puts vegetable where it is to be given to the whole family, right? And in this, she gives it to you when you have to eat. What do you think? This is heavier or this is heavier? Yeah, obviously, this is heavier. So children, I'm sure you must be having this also at home. So lift these things and feel them. What is heavy and what is light? So that's all for now, children. Your homework is you have to tell your mom, pick up a pair of things, different things from your house, and tell your mom and dad which one is heavier and which one is lighter. Okay, bye. See you.